guys, dito kami naka-check in. Ayan, bubuksan ko. Ayan, dito kami titira ng 3 araw. Ganito ang itsura ng loob ng hotel. Titira namin ng 3 araw. Yun. Meron na libit. Yun. Oh, maganda. Ito ang asawa ko.
Oh, hi guys.
Hi.
Oh, okay. There's a TV. Oh, you guys watching something? So you guys we're staying here for 1 month. So we are having like a staycation here in San Francisco, Embassy Suites. So you can tell there's like a living room that you can make it like a sofa bed, and then that would be my office tomorrow. So I need to work here for a few hours while mom and dad is chilling here and also by the lobby. And then this would be our room. There's like a mini sink here, and you see me in the mirror. I've been driving. And then, okay, there's mom. We got like a 2 queen bed. It's Embassy Suites. It's a really nice hotel. They said like there's another TV here too. They said presidents like stay here in this hotel. Yeah. There you go. And there's the bathroom right there. The bathroom right there. And then, let's see. Oh yeah, it's nighttime. That's why it's just like reflecting the night lights outside. So there's buildings. We are in the commercial area. Yeah, it's kind of chilly outside actually. There you go. Okay. Oh, you're welcome, guys. We'll have fun. Later.
Punta na kami sa breakfast doon sa baba. Ito kami doon ang breakfast namin. Punta na kami sa Ibeto. Dito Yun, palibot. Daming tao, ang daming naka-check in. Dito yung breakfast namin. Yung natitirahan namin na kasi sweet. Yung prutas. Pancake, kape. Ang dami kong pipili. Guys, kain tayo. Kain tayo ng breakfast. Pagkain American. Bacon. Sausage. Morning guys. Ito ang second day namin breakfast. Omelette. Bacon. Sausage. And potatoes. Scrambled egg. Bread. Guys, ito ang iyak ko sa kapo namin pagkain yung anak namin na bunso kasama ang saging tapos na ang mga nagbre-breakfast umalis na sila. Ito yung mga breakfast namin. Scrambled. Kuhanan ng bulag.